Hello, I'm Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make these easy baby headbands. If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. Prepare the fabric for the mini fabric flower. And this is the 4-petal shape for this tiny fabric flower. The size is about an inch. I will cut the fabric into these 4 petals using a soldering iron. If you want to know which fabric can be used, you can click the link here. Place the fabric on a ceramic tile and place the template. Start cutting using a soldering iron. Cut 4 pieces. Burn the fabric to curl the petals. Like this. Lay 3 pieces together. And stitch to secure. Take the last piece and embellish the flower. Next, I will make the tulle flower. Fold the tulle fabric. And this is the 8-petal shape for this tulle flower. The size is about 1.5 inches. I will use 2 layers of tulle fabric for this flower. Cut 7 pieces. Fold the fabric in half and attach the other pieces. Prepare stamen. I like to use two colors. Attach this stamen to the tulle flower. Finish the back side of the tulle flower. You can see this. We will hide this later. Next, I will make the larger flower. This is the 5-petal shape for the flower. The size is about 2.5 inches. Again, I'm using a soldering iron to cut the fabric. Cut 10 pieces. Use tweezers, and I will burn the fabric. Like this. I will attach the fabric like this. We will have 5 pieces of this fabric, with one piece curls up and another curls down. Next, attach it like this. Fold the remaining fabrics in half. Then, attach them like this. Prepare stamen to embellish the flower. Next, I will finish the back side. attach them together. Now prepare all the flowers we made. I will hide this using another flower, like this. Prepare stamen. I will take this off and cut it using pliers. Prepare a piece of lace and attach it here. Next, I will make the frilly flower using crepe fabric and tulle fabric. And this is the template that I use. The size is about 2.5 inches. Cut 5 pieces each. And lay them like this. Fold the fabric in half. And attach them like this. Attach the frilly flower to the headband. Prepare a piece of felt fabric and attach the elastic band to the headband. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.